Students, in the continuation of this third chapter of Science Class 8, today we are going to discuss about the plastic and the environment. In our previous classes, we had discussed about the different types of the fibers and the plastics and their importance in our life. So students, you have seen these plastics and these synthetic fibers are very important or very essential for our daily life, but these plastics and synthetic fibers are very harmful for our environment because they take a very long time to decompose. Okay, like different plastic bags that we use, these are non-biodegradable substances, means they do not decompose easily and they remain in our soil for a very long time and cause this soil pollution. Okay, but these are very convenient for us, these are very essential for us because they are strong and all these properties that we have discussed. So these, for that reason we are using these plastics in a very huge amount. But one of the major drawback of these plastics ki they are non biodegradable, means they do not decompose easily. It is written the materials that do not decompose through. Okay, so these are non biodegradable substances. So there is one list in which it is given this natural waste and it is biodegradable or non biodegradable. So students, you can see over here that is the natural list of the natural nature of the waste and their degradation period, like this peels of vegetables, fruits and leftover food. So these are biodegradable. Why these are biodegradable? Because they decompose within 1 or 2 weeks, means they take less time to decompose, so these are called this biodegradable. Paper, it is also biodegradable, 10 to 30 days it decomposes. Cotton cloths, biodegradable 2 to 5 months. Wooden, biodegradable about 1 year. Wood, sorry, it was woolen, biodegradable and about 1 year. Wood, then it is biodegradable 10 to 15 years. But these plastic and metallic cans, these glass bottles, all these are non biodegradable substances. These all are non biodegradable because they take hundreds or thousands of years to decompose, and until their decomposition they remain in our soil, in our environment. And since these are non biodegradable, so they cause the different types of pollution, means they remain in the form of the waste in our soil. So on the basis of these substances can be classified into biodegradable and non biodegradable substances. Okay, so biodegradable substances are what? The materials that do not decompose through natural process, such as the action of bacteria, and take up a very long time to degrade, are called non biodegradable substances. Okay, and the materials which get decomposed through natural process, such as the action of bacteria, are called biodegradable materials, like vegetable peels, leftover foodstuffs, paper, cotton, woolen cloths, etc. And plastics, artificial fibers, aluminum, metallic can, glasses, glass bottles, plastic bottles, all these are non biodegradable substances. And this is the list of biodegradable and non biodegradable substances. So there are some damage that is caused by plastic waste. Like here, it is in the plastic bags and other plastic items in which created are not biodegradable. When garbage is converted into natural manures, plastic items do not degrade. Okay, so they cause the problem of water to steep into the soil, means they prevent the water to move into the soil, and it has the adverse effect of the plants as well as reaching on the groundwater. Okay, then straw cows and other animals sometimes eat these plastic bags that is harmful for them. Plastic carrying bags, other articles clogs the city drainage system and fresh water drains, thereby causing lots of inconvenience. And plastic, if burns, produce very harmful gases and produce air. So these are the damage caused by the use of the plastic bags. And the last topic is that how to control the problems caused by plastics. So how we can control, avoid the use of plastic carry bags. Instead, we can use cotton or jute carry bag. Do not mix plastic waste with household garbage. Okay, collect in a separate container and hand over to the plastic collectors, and so that it can be recycled. Do not throw the plastic wrappers carelessly on the roads. These ultimately carried the city sewage system, which cause clogging of water. And as a person citizen, remember the principle of 4 R's. That is, reduce. Reduce means reduce the use of plastics. Reuse. It can be reused, recycle, and recover. So these 4 R's that we have to keep in our mind to control the problems caused by plastics. So students, this chapter is now it is finished. Okay, so just you have to do in this chapter is to revise it properly, different types of fibers and different types of plastics, their composition and their uses. Okay, there is one oral question that we will, like, name any three properties of the synthetic fibers. So that we had already discussed, that is given in your previous pages, that you can write from there. What term is used to describe the plastic materials which can be given a new shape? So the second answer is the thermoplastic, a term used to describe plastic materials which can be given a new shape by softening and gentling. It is thermoplastic. The next is the monomer of polypropylene is propene. Then next question is, name the industrial plastic material formed by the polymerization of tetrafluoroethane is Teflon. Then what name is given to a material which do not decompose through natural process such as action of bacteria is non-biodegradable substances. And they suggest two ways to minimize problem caused by plastic that we had just discussed in our previous page. So students, these are the questions, oral questions. Tomorrow we will discuss about the exercise and question answers. Okay, so just go through that, revise this chapter properly, so that when we will discuss the questions, that will be clear to you all. Thank you.